This page looks normal, right? But try scrolling, nothing happens. That's because I have locked the entire page behind a puzzle, and unless you solve it, you can't access the rest of the site. And the crazy part, I built this entire thing using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks, no libraries, just pure code. In this video, I am showing you exactly how it works line by line, and if you stay until the end, I will share how you can turn this into a mini game or even a memory challenge. First, let's structure the page. I'm using two main sections. One is the actual website content and the other is the full screen puzzle gate. Let's write the HTML first. The body tag has a class called lock that we will use to disable scrolling. The puzzle is wrapped in a div with class puzzle lock, and the content we want to reveal later is inside main content. Now let's lock the scroll using CSS. Just this one line is enough to disable the entire scroll for the page. As long as the lock class stays on the body, the user can't scroll at all. It doesn't matter how long the page is, 5000 pixels, 10,000, it stays still. Next, let's style the puzzle overlay so it looks like a proper gate. We want the puzzle to cover the whole screen, center everything, and have a dark background. The position fixed makes sure it stays on top of everything. We use flexbox to center everything, and z-index 9999 guarantees that nothing else gets in front of it. Now style the input and buttons so users can interact easily. Now let's make the page interactive. We want to check the user's answer when they click the unlock button. If it's correct, like piano, we will unlock the page. Otherwise, we will show a simple alert. We get the user's answer using getElementById, convert it to lowercase and trim it to avoid extra spaces. If the answer includes piano, we remove the scroll lock and hide the puzzle. Otherwise, we alert them to try again. Simple logic, but very effective. Now let's test it. Reload the page, puzzle shows up. Type something wrong, we get the error. Now type piano and hit unlock, the scroll activates and the rest of the page becomes available. This could be used for portfolio projects, quizzes, or hidden features. If you want to take this idea even further, add a countdown timer. The user must solve it in 30 seconds. Use a random riddle each time. Add background sound or suspense music. Create multiple puzzles in stages like levels. Use local storage to remember if they have already solved it. You can even change the puzzle type, like dragging objects, entering secret codes, or clicking boxes in a pattern. So that's how I created this scroll locking puzzle page using only HTML, CSS, and JS. It's simple, creative, and fun, and it teaches you about scroll control, input handling, DOM manipulation, and overlays. If you want the full source code, it's in the description. And if you want me to make a version where the scroll unlocks only after clicking boxes in the right corner, comment, make the secret pattern version. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you try this effect on your own website, tag me, I would love to see it.